Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. That is correct. You never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason because fire alarms are not toys. They are very serious devices that keep people safe and alive during fire emergencies and also keep buildings standing. So you do not ever mess with fire alarms in public buildings. Only do it with your own fire alarms in your own house. Even if you are going to somebody else's house and they have a fire alarm set up in their house, you still do not tamper with that because those are not your alarms. Bye.